Hello everyone. Just thought I'd show you I spoke yesterday about the 5G infrastructure going into street lamps, at least in the UK, and bus shelters, etc. Street furniture. This is from the government website, as you can see here. Tells you all about it. I'll leave the link in the description to that. I was curious as to what power these use, and I found a document from Ericsson here. So SU here, micro SU, that's super urban. So this tells us that each one of these super urban micro transmitters here is using roughly, on average, you could say about 10 kilowatts per kilometre squared, which I thought was quite a lot of power. Also worth noting, where did I see it? That the bigger, here's the picture of the schematic of what they mean by the micro and the macro. So these macro are obviously the big towers, these micro are the little towers in your street furniture. And what was it? Somewhere else in this document, I'll leave in the description, it does talk about the frequency that the smaller ones are on. Here. So the smaller ones here, 3.5 gigahertz. And the macro ones, the bigger ones, here, frequency 0.9 gigahertz. Because obviously the higher the frequency, the less distance it can travel, but the more data it can carry. So it stands to reason that the bigger towers would be at a lower frequency. So the high frequency, I mean, microwaves run somewhere around 2.5 gigahertz, don't they? And he's running at 3.5. Of course, different telcos use different frequencies slightly, but this is a very good indication. So I thought this was interesting in itself. But yeah, quite a lot of power. So if you work this out, so here, so you can see, say 10 kilowatts per kilometre, and you bear in mind that a soccer pitch, or football as we call it in England, but soccer for you Americans, is 105 by 68 metres. That roughly works out, if you take a microwave oven, 700 watts. That's roughly a microwave oven in each half of the soccer pitch, with the doors open. Yeah. And you're the food. Cheers.